My nigga Delta in them plaques.
These niggas leeches, bitches, blood suckers. 100, keep it 100, drug runner. Top gunner, young motherfucker, came up.
So what is up, K-Birds? So as you see, your girl is ready to rock a wig. I do have my ball cap method laid on right now because I'm so excited because I'm gonna be doing a wig review on the Sensationnel WhatLace hair illusion wig. And if you've been following my channel, y'all know that these are my favorite wigs to wear. So this one is going to be in the style Audry. It is the T1B/silvergrey. And these are 13x6 if you don't already know. And let me take it out the package. So I love these units so much because they give you a lot of parting space, as well as the hairline is always pre-plucked. You really don't have to do much except for cut the lace off and add you some baby hairs if you want to do that. And I got like a gray color because it is like coming on summertime and I just want to wear all kind of colored hair basically. And for these wigs, you don't necessarily have to do the ball cap method. I just wanted to go ahead and do it because that's what I wanted to do. But you most likely, you do not have to. Sometimes with these wigs, you don't want to apply a wig cap at all either because you will kind of see that. So in my next video, I might just not wear the wig cap at all and show you what I'm talking about. And so this right here is the start card up close. And then on the inside is just going to give you more information about the wig. And then on the back is going to be the colors. And as you can see, they have different colors. So they do have natural colors. You don't have to get this color per se. So going off into the wig, you do get the 13x6 parting space. And then on the sides, it will taper off so you don't get that much on the sides. And then here are your two combs that you are going to have. And then in the back, you are going to have a comb. And then, of course, the adjustable straps. The lace is a medium brown lace. Well, it kind of looks light. The lace is brown. It kind of looks like it's a light brown lace. So this is how the wig looks as soon as you put it on. Is you already know it's bomb. Already bomb. Look at that. The hairline is already pretty much pre-plucked for you. They do have baby hairs out for you. And look at how natural it looks. And all you can see is a wig cap. Like, that is freaking bomb. So that is what it looks like. And this is the hair color. Like, this color is so freaking pretty. I love the freaking color. The hair, it is kind of like tangly off the bat. Maybe I need to brush it out, I don't know. But it is kind of tangly. But look at this cut. This color is so freaking pretty. It's a pretty color. And you do get all that parting space. It's like you get a lot of parting space. And then right here, as you can see, so right here, as you can see, this is the hairline up close. It looks really pretty. So to start off, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the sides where the ear go. And then I'm going to be applying my foundation. I'm going to be applying that to the lace. I only like to apply the foundation to the lace so that it can kind of cover the knots a little bit, so they aren't as noticeable. With this wig, you don't really have to do that if you don't want to, because it looks very pretty. It's just that you can't bleach a synthetic wig, so that's why I'm going to be applying that foundation, so it'll kind of color it and make it look like less noticeable. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got to Be Glued Ultra Gel and put that along the hairline. And then I'm going to spray a little bit of my freezing spray also along the perimeter. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull that wig and pull it right back down. So I'm going to go ahead and take my blow dryer and go ahead and blow dry the front. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. Then I'm going to go back in with my freezing spray and just spray along the perimeter. And now I'm just going to take some powder on the spots that need it. And I do want me some sideburns, so I'm just going to be cutting just a little bit on the sides. Okay, so this is Miss Audry, and if you could tell, I am feeling this wig. So this is the T1B/silver gray, and I am in love with it. So it's like a lob, I guess you could say, like that. So as far as the lace, I did not apply any baby hairs, so far away you will not see the lace, but up close you can kind of see it. You can see like a little line, of course. And I did just apply the sideburns on the side. I didn't want to apply any baby hairs for this wig because I thought it was really pretty how the hairline is. Like, the hairline is really pretty. It looks really bomb, but they do give you baby hairs. That's like what's right here that keeps poking out. So if you wanted to apply baby hairs, you can, and it'll make it just look even more flawless. But I decided not to mess with the baby hair. I really love the way that this wig looks. The cut, it is very pretty for summer. The only thing I don't like is the ends. Like, for a short unit, it does tangle a lot on the ends. Like, it tangles a lot, and then it does shed. Going through the hair, it sheds because you do have to detangle it out. And like, it pretty much, as soon as you comb it and run your hands back through it, it does tangle up again. Like, the hair does tangle. But I love how the wig looks. Like, it looks so freaking pretty. Like, and you could do like the flip over method if you wanted to. You can part it in the center if you wanted to. And like I said, this wig, it will tangle up easily on the ends. But as you can see, you can go like all the way back. And you can pull the hair up in the ponytail if you want to. It looks pretty up. But yeah, so I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below in the description box. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.